arbitrationagreements.org. In the world of contracts, a powerful tool often used to resolve disputes is arbitration. This method of resolution is defined and governed by what we call an arbitration contract. Before we go over what an arbitration contract is, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. When two parties sign an arbitration contract, they agree to settle any future disputes through arbitration instead of traditional court litigation. This means if a disagreement arises, it would be handled by an appointed arbitrator or arbitration panel, not by a judge or jury. Arbitration can offer several advantages. It can be quicker and more efficient than court procedures. According to a recent study, arbitration cases took an average of 475 days fewer than cases resolved in court. Furthermore, arbitration processes can be more flexible than traditional courts. They offer a level of confidentiality that court proceedings usually don't, making them a preferred choice for corporations. In 2020, 60% of corporate attorneys preferred arbitration to litigation according to a survey. The rules governing arbitration contracts can vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. Most regions have laws in place to ensure the fairness of the process, while some others might leave the parties with greater autonomy to shape their arbitration procedures. It is important to remember that once an arbitration contract is signed, parties typically forfeit their right to resolve their disputes in court. That's why it's crucial to understand the implications before agreeing to an arbitration clause. With an average of 39% of business contracts containing an arbitration clause as of a 2021 study by Stanford Law School, arbitration contracts are clearly an integral part of today's business landscape. As you can see, an arbitration contract is an extremely powerful tool in dispute resolution. If you want to learn more information about arbitration contracts or have one drafted on your behalf, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what is your opinion on arbitration contracts? Does it make sense to you why they are becoming more popular year after year? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.